Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. Yeah, man, guys, we're back in the music lab today. Dan Mafia, Dan family. You see what we're dealing today. Yeah, man, today we're dealing something a little bit different. This is artist. Now, it's not a stranger to the channel, but we haven't reacted in a long time. You know what I'm saying? Some of y'all forgot that I do, hip hop music sometimes. You know what I'm saying? We do most of dance over here, but we also do listen to hip hop and drill music over here. So you know what I'm saying? But if y'all remember, we reacted to Gunna before. But currently, you have a new video. Before we even jump in the video, guys, you don't know, I have to check in with you on how y'all doing today, how y'all feeling. Y'all been staying prayed up. You been on your purpose. Have you been drinking water? Let me know in the comment section. And you don't know over here, so we don't lie. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna try to keep each other on point, so there's no point in lying. We gotta stay on our purpose. Gotta stay out on the grind. We gotta stay prayed up, man. You don't know. We're not with a God in our life. You don't know. Yeah, man, guys. But today we have a different track. Today we have Gunna. Yeah, me. Gunna, if you know, Gunna is a hip hop artist that was recently caught up in a racketeering case with the YSL group or Young Thug, and he got out early because he basically made a statement, and a lot of people think he was snitching, and he was trying to say snitching. But anyway, he made a statement and got out early. A lot of people thinking the rap game think he's a snitch and stuff, so they're not messing with him. And everybody been waiting for him to drop music to see what he must say. A lot of people think he wasn't going to get any support no more for being a snitch and all that. So I'm surprised that he dropped this new song, and it's already at 1.3 million views in 13 hours. So that's why we're checking it out and see what I go on, see what he said in this song. Is he apologizing? Is he confessing? What is going on in this song? We got to check out and see what I go on. Yeah, Zimmy. But before that, guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on the post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. You don't know, you're tuning into the latest reaction channel on YouTube, the latest family, the latest gang. You already know. You don't want to miss out. Have beer vibes and energy over here, so you don't want to miss out. I tell you, do yourself a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. Yeah, man, prize and surprise is coming soon. You already know what time it is. But yeah, man, guys, today we are checking out Gunna, and this one is entitled Bread and Butter. Yeah, man, so we're gonna check it out on Swan. Hopefully, maybe you do something nice song for you, persuade people, and change people, or whatever. Maybe you didn't snitch. We don't know. We're gonna find out right now. Okay, so now hold up the vibe much longer. This is Gunna, Bread and Butter. Let's get it.
It's just coming in.
Charged in connection with
Gunna was able to
rapper Gunna.
mixed reactions
Mr.
from
Williams
his fans.
committed no crime.
Had to hear it next to jail.
Has been in custody since May.
I just don't know if his first steps outside the Fulton County Jail.
That's all those sounds you're hearing is the new clips. His new clips from the surrounding the case that he was going through with YSL and Young Thug. You know what I'm saying? So
when it's by that bread and butter. The kill for clout, I put that on my dead brother, yeah. He talk so much, I showed him I'm a real hunter.
Man said they'll kill for clout, I put that on my dead brother, yeah.
Won't say it, but he know I still got real cutters, yeah. Yeah, I'm right back and I lost mad commas. I had been down bad inside a dog tunnel, yeah.
Man say, yo, I lost a lot of commas, but
mad commas. I had been down bad inside a dog tunnel, yeah.
They say, yo, they don't buy lost mad commas. They had him down bad in a dog tunnel.
Fuck them boys, I found out who my real partners. And who was only with me cause I had dollars.
Man said, fuck them boys. I had real problems. Damn. So basically you saying fuck YSL from what I'm hearing right here, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Fuck Young Thug from what I'm hearing right here. You know what I'm saying? Cause y'all say, oh.
Fuck them boys, I found out who my real partners. And who was only with me cause I had dollars.
He said, my youth, fuck them boys, I found out who my real partners and who was with me cause I had dollars. Don't try to spin this in no 6ix9ine situation like them niggas trying to snake you and shit, bro. Cause that I don't believe. You feel me? 6ix9ine situation I believe, but if you're trying to say that's what happened, I don't believe that, Gunna. I'm gonna be real with you, cuz. You know what I'm saying?
Never fucked a nigga, always stay solid. Kept it real with niggas, never lied and always stay honest. Love my bro so much, I never change on him.
Man said, keep it real, nigga, never lied and I stay
honest. I don't wanna go and do the work, bring you the damn profits. Hustle on my own, I always did know how to sell product. Nigga ain't gave me shit, I grind so long.
This nigga lost a lot of weight though, bro. No cap. That nigga was fat as hell.
Came from the damn bottle. Every nigga speaking on my name could have some real problems. We are not the same, ain't in my lane, I got my own column, yeah. Peeping shit, I'm
We are not the same. I'm in my own lane. I got my own column. Yeah. All right. Gunna was a hard artist before he got jail and he snitch and them thing. He had crazy flow. You know what I'm saying? But
seeing niggas fall back.
But some things you can't betray, bro. You know what I'm saying? Some things you just can't mess with, like loyalty and them thing that is very important. A lot of people throwing the loyalty word around a lot, but loyalty is important as men, especially black men. And this is a system, a dog, where I grew up in a dog. A lot of reason we can't be take out. None of y'all niggas no loyalty, bro. Y'all ain't got no integrity, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all don't know if we're right for the cause, brother. If we come together and say, yo, this is what we are do, dog, you're supposed to loyal. As soon as the thing come around, dog, gonna want to stitch by a man and bitch out and run and them thing, dog. Y'all lot integrity, bro, and loyalty, bro. You know what I'm saying?
You bitch ass niggas got me at the topic of the
Why you think the Ku Klux Klan and them, you know, the racist group that was able to be around for the mafia and all these things on the mob? Why you think they was able to be around so long? Because they had loyalty, bro. They had integrity, bro. Even though a criminal activity them in, they still have a sense of loyalty and integrity. Niggas these days ain't got none of that, bro. You know what I'm saying? Soon as they get another problem, start stitch pan this someone and I say, yo, Ray. I try to tell, say, oh, you know, so them man used to do this to me and all these things. So nigga, why you was with them until now? And you know, you did them, they with them all this time. I know as soon as I get locked up, you say these niggas did all this to you. Man, y'all niggas be lying, bro.
You switched on me when you know you in business with a rat. And the boy that's like your brother, ain't nobody speak on that. Just to see it clearly if I had to state of fact. Switched on me when you know you in business with a rat. And the boy that's like your brother, ain't nobody speak on that. Just
You say, yo, what?
ain't in my lane, I got my own column, yeah. Peeping shit, I'm seeing niggas fall back. You bitch ass niggas got me at the topic of the chat. You switched on me when you know you in business with a rat. And
Man said, got the topic of the chat. You switched on me when you in business with a rat. Damn.
boy that's like your brother, ain't nobody speak on that. The city see it clearly if I had to state of fact. You still fuck with a nigga that done got your partner. How these niggas talking only knew him cause it's slay.
Hold on.
You still fuck with a nigga that done got your partner. How these niggas
Man say you still fuck with a nigga that got your partner whacked. Yeah, that's some snake shit right there. You gotta, yeah.
talking only knew him cause it's slay. These rap boy need more streams. Heard he put my name on wax. You ain't even believe I ain't have to watch my back. This niggas really talking. How you think we done got snatched? Nobody sent the kite. I said in road waiting to get back.
Man said niggas really talking. How you think that we got snatched? That's real though. Yeah, that's real though. That's real. Niggas out here talking now. You think they got locked up in the first place? That's what he's saying, bro. He's trying to say he's not the snitcher.
The shit didn't get off track. Let's get it back on track. Going all out when it's by that bread and butter. The kill for clout, I put that on my dead brother, yeah. He talk so much, I showed him I'm a real hunter. Won't say it, but he know I still got real cutters, yeah. Yeah, I'm right back and I lost mad commas. I had been down bad inside a dog tunnel, yeah.
Yo, bro, this man sliding on the trap, bro. That Gunna flow, bro, where they are. I hate him, I love him, bro. That Gunna flow crazy, bro.
Fuck them boys, I found out who my real partners. And who was only with me cause I had dollars, yeah. Fuck, I paid the lawyers all them millions for. Just so I won't have to say a word to dodge a railroad. Niggas find it hard to understand though.
If you notice, I'm alone in all the video and it's in black and white. You know what I'm saying? This nigga say you're riding alone. And he got the crow frying thing. This look just like Skillibeng 16 them video, bro. You know what I'm saying? This nigga probably took that idea straight out of Skillibeng book, bro. Real shit.
Dog ain't put me down, I been locked down, don't know which way to go. Never get no statement or agree to take no stand on them. On whatever you niggas on it, trust me, I'ma stand on it. Lawyers and the DA did some sneaky shit, I fell for it. On my piece.
Man said lawyers and the DA did some sneaky shit and he fell for it. That's crazy. That's crazy. So they probably proposed him with that. They probably come to him with that proposal. You know what I'm saying? Say, yo, go ahead, make these statements and we'll let you. He probably wasn't pre and say, yo, you know what I'm saying?
This time I be prepared for it, yo. Post shiny niggas throwing shade, though. I can get on here, but I'm just chillin', just see how I go. But they say he wants some smoke with me, ain't in my time zone. Any given day, I could just pop out one of them side though. Gonna eat too slick, you ain't gonna know which way I played. Shit too hot.
Easy now, man. This man flowing, bro. Gunna, bro. This is why I used to mess with Gunna back in the day. The man flow is crazy and he beat choice, bro.
I can't even put no money on. Pulling up, pop out like what?
Hold on.
Ain't gonna know which way I played. Shit too hot, I can't even put no money on. Pulling up, pop out like what the fuck you nigga?
Man says shit too hot. I can't even put no money on your head right now, bro. That man says shit too hot. I can't even put no money on your head right now, bro. That's crazy, bro. This man sliding. Niggas say yo, Gunna too slick. They don't know which way I go. Any day me can pop out at the side though. Shit too hot right now. Me can't even put no money up on your head right now, dog. You see me? That's crazy.
Nigga said, ain't with all that talking, it's the last time I'ma say it. I don't think I'm sick the way I keep popping these meds. I finally found out it's just the way the devil dance. Had too many niggas run, I fed that bit my hand. I got too many folks to feed, you just don't understand. Going on.
Yeah, man. And a lot of people say this crow flying represents change. You know what I'm saying? Skilly Bang added in his video too. I swear, bro, this nigga took this video straight out of Skilly Bang book. That 16 them video, he went and just copied that shit. See, when Skilly Bang had the crow fly through Jamaica, like years and thing, and this video in a black and white on 16, bro. And then what, 2 weeks later,
I like when it's better bread and butter. The kill for clout, I put that on my dead brother, yo. He talk so much, I showed him I'm a real hunter. Won't say it, but he know I still got real cutters, yo. Yeah, I'm right back and I lost mad commas. I had been down bad inside a dog tunnel, yo. Fuck them boys, I found out who my real problems. And who was only with me cause I had dogs, yo.
Damn, bro. So you're basically saying you got nigga right here got what? You got 5 crows and 1 dove. It's crazy. This man alone, that boy Gunna paranoid though. He paranoid for real. Looking in the video. And that's why we're in that full mask, cause you driving around. You know what I'm saying? This nigga paranoid. He know niggas trying to slide. He don't trust nobody. Well, I went to the chase, got a bag.
A cunning crow.
Hold on. Let's hear what this cunning crow are going.
Always on the lookout for an easy meal. All to himself. But it's not that simple.
So we're gonna say he's the crow. So gonna try to say he's the crow or they the crow? Who the crow? Who the crow, bro? So he's like, yo, a cunning crow, always out looking for a quick meal, even by himself. What? Always by himself. So who's the damn crow? You the crow, bro? Or is YSL the crow? Let me know what's going on, bro. But anyway, people, I was Gunna. Yeah, brother, on both time, I know one thing about that one. That was a dope track. I enjoyed that one. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people been looking out to see what Gunna go drop next. He dropped the tune. Gunna do him thing. You know what I'm saying? I don't agree with the snitching and all these things. Everybody I try snitch on all this and say, yo, them people are never real with me. You know, they betrayed me. They used to do this and that. So why were you friend with them, bro? You know, I want to hear that, man. I want to hear that shit. I been cut them off before the case. I know police thing. I been cut them off, bro. That's me. I wait till they get locked up and jam now. They know I stitch. I say, yo, they did this. That's why I did that. Nah, man. You not fly like that. So we'll make it be known. If you riding with a crew, or you there with a crew, a gang, a family, a group, whatever it is, we need if they might do you dirty, you need to cut before anybody get locked up. You see me go to war, go to beef or something before anybody get locked up. You can't wait till you get locked up and then you say, yo man, did I do this and that? What kind of thing that? Nah, I believe that, man. You see me? But anyway, we don't know if that really happened, so you can give him a little bit of leeway. The 6ix9ine thing, cause 6ix9ine the first one to try that. Snitch on the man at top. Oh, they used to kidnap me and they tried to phone my baby mama and all this. So, bro, why were you powering niggas like that, bro? You supposed to go to war with me. You that much of a bitch, bro? That much of a coward, dad? That niggas run here and molest you, molest your girl, molest whoever your family member, bro, and you just did it. Nah, nigga, I'm going to war, nigga. Yeah, bro, you talk too hard, bro. Me talk too hard like say you want disrespect. I go to war. I don't know what y'all niggas be on. I don't know what kind of soft shit. I don't know who raised y'all niggas, bro. You see me? No nigga can't even get to that point. You see me? Them a come kidnap me or violate my woman or my family. You won't even get to that part, because as soon as I raise a voice toward me and you go war. That me I tell you. And I put that on everything. You see me? So I don't know who raised y'all niggas. Y'all some bitch ass niggas at the end of the day. But anyway, let me people know what y'all think about that one. Definitely drop a comments in the comment section. Let me know what to react to next. Let me know what your favorite part. You already know. I'm gonna find drop a song after all these months and things. Let me know what you think about the one. You don't know. It's about Jambisco. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.